So here we are. I've played Call of Duty since Black Ops 1, the Nintendo Wii. I was really excited to see what we'd get with Black Ops 7. 6 was okay. Maybe 7 held a little bit more in store. But I've been playing the betas like opening up a box on Christmas Day and getting socks. This beta is horrible. This wall jumping, bouncing around. It has no content that's even close to the original Black Ops series. I'm not sure who wanted this, who asked for this. Did somebody really put together a whole focus team to say this is what we want to move forward to? I hope to do better.
Deleted.